comes to Facebook ads, all the changes, right? The Advantage shopping, everything's going on there, that you have to go super broad. You have to go like no targeting as far as interest targeting or detail targeting, no demographic targeting. You just go super broad audience, men and women. You maybe done the genders and maybe the age groups. Facebook has done us a favor, whether they designed it that way or not. There's been so many times on Facebook that they've designed something for one purpose. Facebook developers often develop a system, and in reality, what happens is it doesn't work the way they want it to work. So if you just figure out how to make it work for you, you can crush it. And using the Advantage shopping and going and adding suggestion and picking targeting is fucking rocking. I mean, unbelievably great results. You combine the product techniques I teach my clients, right, and how to find and develop products, in addition to using targeting with the Advantage shopping on us, you can crush it. Now, there's all sorts of details that go into that, but, you know, I have to give you a reason to reach out to me. So message me into my coaching, and it's a beautiful day in Kyoto. Cheers to the next video. Love you all.